Hey folks, just out here enjoying some of the sounds and sights of late summer. Beautiful day. It's been gorgeous. There's meadows, beautiful forests. Some of the trees are starting to turn, but not a lot. Just a little. So late summer is the season associated with the earth element in Chinese 5 elements, which is the paired organ system of the spleen, stomach. Pancreas are often kind of thrown in there. So it's all about transmutation and transformation, the digestion and breakdown of food. And the diet would normally change from all of the great raw fruits and vegetables that ripen during the summer to make way for all the winter squashes when the temperature is cool. It's nice to have the oven on and bake the squashes. But if you're experiencing a fairly hot late summer like we are, then it's a good time to just have a mixed diet of some of the last melons and lettuces and tomatoes, cucumbers, all that and even the summer squashes, zucchini, yellow squash from the summer that are still available, at least over here in the Midwest. While the fall, winter squashes are also coming available locally, which is just awesome. It's our favorite. And in Chinese 5 elements, the earth element also corresponds to the Mother Earth. So it's a good time to get out, connect with the earth, just connect with that grounding energy as the trees and plant life begin to really turn inward and send their sap, their nutrients down into the roots where they collect all winter. And that's why root vegetables have so many minerals, because they're stored in the soil. Anyway, hope you're enjoying this late summer. I have articles on what to eat for every season on my vegangreatlife.blogspot.com blog. Just click on the top navigation, Chinese 5 elements or Chinese food therapy, and you'll scroll down and see all the different spring, summer, fall, winter diets and other information. Let me know if you enjoy it. Okay, here's the market shopping haul. If you can believe it, I paid $2 $1.50. No, $2 for each of these. I mean, these are heavy, massive bunches of kale. It's amazing. And $2.50 for the broccoli. 75 cents for this big old kohlrabi. $2 each for the squash. $4 for the carrots. 75 cents or $1 for this big daikon. I mean, really an awesome score. Really grateful.